Good afternoon, it's Richard Bratton and I'm going to show you how to install Active Directory users and computers. So all you do is you go to Manage on there and you go Add the roles. Okay, and when you actually get to that point, click Next, Next, Active Directory, Domain Services, add the features and go Next. Okay, so what we need to do now is once that's actually done that, you go to where the track warning site is there. Then what we have to do is we have to promote the server to what we're going to be doing here is creating a name for the actual Active Directory. This is a .com name. This might take a few minutes to actually get to the next part. Okay, once we're on this part here is where you can actually save to different folder for the database if you required. I'm going to leave it on the standard, this one. And this part here is the script here where you can actually do multiple domains at one time. Going through a checking everything's set up correctly. Right, I've just logged in, so let's see if it has actually finished. Go to local server, and this will tell you. Now it's actually gone from a workgroup to a domain micro.com. Okay, right, thank you for watching, and the next title will be installing the DNS services and setting up for the services on the infrastructure. Okay, bye.